I mean the PMP. Yep. So if you want a really good chart, this is a good one. Me, I'm starting to go through cloud stuff. I'm getting super serious about cloud after talking to my man, Professor Black Ops, and I've started this track where I'm doing cloud stuff very seriously. And my first one is this bottom tier right here is AWS certified cloud practitioner, and probably and then AZ 900. This one right here is another one I took. And I'm just thinking myself, the next one I'm going to take in the cloud space. They got it color coded here. Like these ones right here is cloud and operating systems in cloud, orange. And then the black is, I want to say these are like GRC type. Hold on a second. Something's going on with this page. We're zoomed in too much. Okay, there we go. So you've got security architecture and engineering in the orange, asset security. In the black, it's security and risk management. And then if you keep going over here, it's got hacker stuff and just all kinds of things. You got network over here in the green. But yeah, this is a really great way to figure out like where you're at, where you want to go. If you're entry level Security Plus is an incredible exam. It's gonna bust down some doors for you for sure. Let me see here. I'm trying to look for the AWS. Okay, yeah, this one right here. Oh wow, it's not bad. This is probably one of the next ones I'm gonna take right here. This one's on my list to do, things to do. It's AWS Services Certified Solution Architect. Yep, that's on my list of things to do right there. Okay.